If you've spent any time researching dropshipping, you've probably seen videos claiming that AI can build your entire business for you, find winning products, create your store, write listings, and make sales while you sleep. The reality is a little different. AI isn't going to build a successful business on its own. You still need to choose the right products, understand your customers, and create a marketing strategy that actually works. But where AI can make a real difference is by removing the slow, repetitive work that usually takes hours. Today, I'm putting that idea to the test using Doba's AI tools to see how they can speed up product research, listing creation, and store setup. So let's jump in and see what AI can actually help with, and what it still can't do. One of the biggest misconceptions about AI is that it's supposed to replace the entire business. That's simply not how successful e-commerce works. You still need to decide what niche to enter. You still need to understand your customers. You still need to test products, optimize your marketing, and improve your store over time. AI doesn't replace those decisions. What it does replace is a lot of repetitive work that slows you down every single day. Instead of spending hours searching through products, copying descriptions, organizing listings, or repeating the same setup process over and over again, AI can help you complete those tasks much faster. That's exactly the approach Doba takes. Rather than trying to automate your entire business, it focuses on simplifying the workflow, from product discovery and listing creation to supplier management and store integrations, so you can spend more time making business decisions instead of repeating manual tasks. Let's start with the first step every dropshipping business faces: finding products. Finding products sounds easy until you actually start doing it. Thousands of products, hundreds of suppliers, different prices, different shipping times, different profit margins. The biggest challenge usually isn't finding products. It's filtering through everything to discover products that actually fit your store. This is where one of Doba's AI tools, AI Picker, becomes useful. Instead of manually browsing endless catalogs, AI Picker helps narrow your search by understanding the type of products you're looking for. For example, if I'm building a home office store, I can focus on products that are practical, easy to ship, and suitable for everyday use, instead of scrolling through completely unrelated categories. From there, I can compare different suppliers, review pricing, check inventory availability, and evaluate shipping options before deciding what makes sense for my store. The important thing here is that AI Picker isn't choosing products for you. It's helping you reach better options faster. You still make the final decision, but instead of starting with thousands of products, you're starting with a much shorter, more relevant list. That alone can save a huge amount of research time. Once you've chosen products, the next challenge is actually getting everything into your workflow. Normally, this means jumping between multiple platforms: one tool for suppliers, another for product imports, another for inventory, another for managing listings. Before long, you're constantly switching tabs just to complete basic tasks. This is where Doba Pilot comes in. Instead of treating AI as a separate tool, Doba Pilot acts more like an AI assistant built into your dropshipping workflow. It helps streamline product discovery, supports listing creation, and makes it easier to manage many of the repetitive tasks involved in building and maintaining a store. Another advantage is that Doba integrates with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify and BigCommerce, so once your store is connected, moving products into your storefront becomes much more straightforward. Rather than manually transferring information from one platform to another, much of the workflow stays connected inside a single system. For someone launching their first store, or even testing a new niche, that can remove a lot of unnecessary setup work without taking away your control over the business. After you've selected your products, the next time-consuming task is creating listings. Normally, this means copying product information, uploading images, organizing variants, writing descriptions, setting prices, and repeating the same process over and over again. It's not difficult work, but it quickly becomes repetitive, especially as your catalog grows. This is where AI AutoLister helps speed things up. Instead of manually creating every listing from scratch, AI AutoLister helps automate much of the listing process, making it easier to move products from discovery to your connected store. Product information, images, variants, and other key details can be prepared much faster, allowing you to spend less time on repetitive setup and more time reviewing the final result before publishing. Of course, I still recommend checking every listing yourself. AI can save time, but it's always worth making sure product descriptions, pricing, and branding match the experience you want customers to have. Again, this isn't about replacing your judgment, it's about reducing the manual work that normally slows down the process. One thing I like about Doba is that the workflow doesn't stop after importing products. Once your store is connected through supported integrations like Shopify or BigCommerce, inventory updates and order management become much easier to handle. If a supplier updates inventory, those changes can automatically sync with your store, helping reduce the chances of selling products that are no longer available. When a customer places an order, Doba keeps the workflow organized by connecting you with the supplier so fulfillment can move forward more efficiently. You still manage your business and monitor your orders, but the platform helps remove many of the repetitive operational tasks that usually come with running a dropshipping store. The result is a smoother workflow from product discovery all the way through order fulfillment. So if you're planning to actively use Doba's AI tools rather than just testing the basics, this bundle gives you access to the features that support those everyday tasks. Whether you're starting your first store or experimenting with a new niche, having those AI credits available can make the workflow much more efficient over time. After testing Doba, I think the biggest takeaway is that it approaches AI in a practical way. Instead of promising that AI will build a successful business for you, it focuses on helping with the parts that usually consume the most time. Finding products, creating listings, managing repetitive tasks, keeping your workflow organized. Those are areas where AI can genuinely improve productivity without replacing the decisions that actually determine whether your business succeeds. At the end of the day, you'll still need to choose the right products, understand your audience, build a strong brand, and market your store effectively. No AI tool can guarantee success, and no software can replace good business strategy. But if your goal is to reduce repetitive work and speed up the operational side of dropshipping, Doba offers a workflow that feels much more streamlined than juggling multiple separate tools. If you'd like to explore Doba for yourself, I've left my link in the description below. If you're curious about how AI can actually improve your workflow, not by replacing your business, but by helping you work more efficiently, it's definitely worth taking a look. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.